Hey guys, Steve here. Well, I'm back. It is day 11, 12. It'll be day 12. Right. This would be the 12th day in our little case study experiment or whatever of using free affiliate networks, right? And promoting to the MyLead Gen secret leads, right? Now, this is an excellent way for you to start making money online for only $30 a month. You get the leads, you get the platform, you get the emails, you get the offer, and all it takes is by you putting in the effort, you consistently selecting an offer, putting it in the email, the bulk emailer, right, in the platform and mailing it out, right? So we're on day 12, and what this whole exercise is doing is showing that you can do this. Now, I was looking around on YouTube and other people are doing it, not because of me, but because maybe I got the idea from them. I mean, maybe it subliminally got in my mind like, hey, let me try this because everybody else is trying it, right? But no, matter of fact, I think I did see somebody doing it and I was like, one day I was like, oh, that'd be a good idea. And then I just started doing it. So yeah, I think I copied off of other people. But you know what that means is, that means that all you have to do is do what I'm doing and you can have the same results, right? And yeah, matter of fact, I brought it up in a different video where someone was using multiple MLGS accounts and like tripling the number of people they sent the leads out to. And yeah, and I remember saying that, I don't like having monthly fees. So I'm not going to do that. You're right. Yeah. So I guess I did get an idea. I did get the idea from somebody else, and I'm just doing it and I'm showing that it can be done. And I advise you to do the same thing. Matter of fact, you can just click the link in the description box below, sign up for MyLead Gen Secret, partner with me, and I'll help you do this same result, right? I'll help you, stay consistent. I'll hold you accountable, right? We can do this together. You can make a video. You be on day 1, I'll be on day 15 or something like that, right? But I think it's something. I think it's a good exercise that'll show you how you can easily make money online, and I believe it'll teach you consistency, getting up every day, putting out your email blast, selecting an offer, and then the anticipation of, am I going to get a good day today, right? It's all fun. You got to have fun when you're doing online marketing. You don't got to be all serious and, it's not that serious. It's not that serious. But anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to dive right in and check the results of the MyLead Gen Secret platform. Let's go here. And let's move me out of the way. So here we are with the MyLead Gen Secret platform. Let me adjust my camera up a little bit here, and we'll log right into my account. Daggone loop, I'm not sure why it does that. But we're in our account, and if you look at just the surface number, man, that one email we sent on the 18th, look at it. It hasn't done anything. That's crazy. Oh, we're going to test today, too, is the multiple income funnel, because I've seen some stuff in there. But anyway, we're gonna check the results. This is the one we sent, man, on the 18th. That's a low number there. But look here, these ones came up. But anyway, let's go to the stats page. And yeah, we're on an uptick. We just crossed 4,000 opens right here with this one. People are making money self-quarantine. That is from the 19th. Look at that. We just crossed, so they love that email. What was that email again? This was the one for, what was this? Was this Click to Wealth or something like that? Yeah, I think it was. Let me look. Let me see what this offer was. It was perpetual income. 365. Wow. So, wow. I didn't realize we picked that one. But yeah, we used this one and people loved it. That is amazing. It's almost over 4,000 well, it's over 4,200 clicks already, and it's going up, right? Let's look here. People are still clicking as of the 21st, right? This is like, look at all these clicks. That's amazing, right? And that's all from the 21st. Yesterday's click status was like, it's very low. We only got 2 clicks. Well, that would be tomorrow. There must be on the other side of the world, like I said, the servers, but that's awesome, right? I mean, the results are like, I mean, it's only 78. That's crazy. That's the lowest I've ever had. And then let me go through here real quick. 78, 78. That is the lowest I ever had. Wow. Actually, even some numbers, if you notice, even some numbers that when we started this on the 9th or around there, even some of the numbers have risen, right? Because all of these were like 1 or 2 or whatever, or not, like almost barely 200, but they kind of inched up a little bit. Like this one here inched up a little bit more. But anyway, so that's the numbers here. We're above 4,200 clicks, right? Or opens, and we're at 194 clicks, right? So let's jump over to Clickbank and see what we got in the back office, right? Logging in. And, oh, wow. We're already seeing, I see 30. Wow. So we got a sale. Look at that on the 20th for 1924. Let's move this down here so we can examine where we got that sale at. That's amazing. Let me scroll this down. And because what we're going to do is we're going to pick another offer and send that one, right? So I'm trying to adjust my screen real quick. But look, the sale came in on the 20th. That was today. Interesting. So that's another $30, for the week, I guess. That was 12 for this day and another 19 for this day. That's awesome. So let's go to reportings and check out what it was. Where did we get that sale at? I think we got another sale on that social pay one, but we're going to dive into there. Let's do the tracking ID. Let's see. Where do we get that sale? Right here. Oh, on the 18th. Oh, it came from the 18th. Wow. That's what that right here, 1924. Whatever we sent on the 18th, that's what it was. And like I said, it was that social media one again. Because now we're going to jump back over here and look at the 18th. On the 18th, here's the email. And wow. Look at that. Okay, let's look at that again. Let's go back to Clickbank. Now, it says that we got that sale from the MLGS 18, right? That's where we made $19.24. Now, check this out, right? This is the email we sent on the 18th. Click here. Let's examine this, right? Yeah, we'll man, how do I look at that? How do we look at see what date that is? Because I want to show you the date. Let's go to mailing system. Let's go to here, and I want to show you that date. Here's the actual email we sent, and it loaded up down here. As you can see, I just clicked here. It's here, and it loads up here, right? And if I double click here, it pops up and gives me the hop. And as you can see right here, it says 12/18. This is the email that we got the sale on. But what's weird about it is, it only got, here's the 18th, it only got 78 clicks, 2,400 opens and only 78 clicks, and we earned $20 off of that. I'm amazed because it wasn't even the number of the clicks. It was the fact that whoever clicked on it was interesting. Wow, from MyLead and Secret Leads. That's amazing. No, it's not robot clicks. But anyway, what I want to do real quick is I want to select a new offer. I want to hurry up and email blast out, okay? And then I want to show you the results of something else. My time is running slow. I need to hurry and get this email out before my day runs out. So what we'll do is we'll go here. I had a long day at work, so I had to, I missed the normal window of me doing this. So let's jump over here. I just want to show you how quick we can actually do this, because this would probably be the shortest video I ever did, because I'm only at 9 minutes right now, and normally I'm talking for like 20 minutes. Right? But anyway, let's go here. What we're going to do is I hate to say it, but we're going to go back to pick our own email swipe, because that was an email swipe we chose. And I'm going to go to my little, my email swipes here. Actually, I'm going to show you where to get an email swipe from. I'm going to go to my Gmail, right? Let's go to my Gmail. And I'm going to get one of these emails that I get, and we're going to show you something here. Boom. We're going to see what we can do with this one. Here's the email here. I'm going to take this. I'm going to take this and put this here. I'm just this is being a little different, right? I'm taking one of the spam email, not spam emails, one of the emails that I get regularly, right? And I'm going to use it and see what we can get. Let's have fun with it, right? So here's the subject line. This is what the subject line is going to be. Message 4, colon. Then I'm going to grab the first name here. Boom. I'm going to put that here. Now that's the first name. Now, right here where it says, hi there, I have one message for, and I'm going to change this link. I don't like all of these spaces here. And I also like it to be what? 18 font. But yeah, that's just a way. If you can never run out of emails. I'm just keeping it real. You can never run out of emails. Why? Because you can always go to your own inbox. You're on enough lists, right? You should be able to find an email without struggling. You don't have to pay for swipes. You just grab any old email. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna promote this. This got 144 hops with no sales. I'm gonna go back to this again because this is what's been working, right? So I'm gonna just go here, promote, bring this over here so you can see my tracking link, MLGS 1220 for the 20th. Generate hop link, copy. Go back to here, and I'm gonna put it here in this link here, find out more. I'm going to get rid of that one, put that one in here. Boom. Here's our code, MLGS20, so we know what to look for tomorrow when we check this, right? Hit OK. Now that's our thing here. I'm gonna put back up, I'm gonna put Steve, then I'm gonna put P.S. And what do I always put? Grab your free ebook. Oops, agree. Free ebook here. And again, this is going to be my multiple income funnel link because this is my one of my primary business offers here. Money making opportunity, which income stream number 5 is my lead gen secret. So I have to promote, I would like to still promote my main offers, inside these emails while I'm doing this testing here. So I'm going to grab this free ebook here. I'm going to grab the video one though, with the video here, Control C, jump back over to here, and I'm going to put this right here. Grab your free ebook here. We'll keep it just simple. Put that here. Boom. I'm going to put a tracker, MLGS 1220. And I'm going to hit OK. So now let's click perfect timing. Let's do a quick preview. One message for the first name. Oh, I'm going to go like this. Watch this. Regarding commissions. Regarding commissions. Preview. That's the subject line. Here's our link, is good. Here's our free ebook link, is good. Promoting multiple income funnel, hit close. Then I'm going to hit the number of leads. Click here, right? And then I'm going to hit send email. So the email is sent. Oh, it's let me show you sent right here at the bottom here. It's sent. So now what I want to do is, now that I got that out of the way, what I want to do is I want to go back to the email we sent the other day, real quick, and just let's examine something. There was an email that I had at the bottom right here. Here we go. This email here. What day is it? The day that I sent that email is from the 19th. Let me see what I sent on here on the 20th. Okay, so let's go to my income funnel and see if we have any MLGS leads. And I'll have to block these out, but I'll go back and do it. I just want to show you the leads here. I want to show you here, we have a MLGS lead from 12/17, right? So that means these leads are, I could show you more. Look at MLGS, MLGS here. these MLGS here. MLGS, look at all these MLGS leads. MLGS. I mean, I get leads from MLGS, which is MyLead Gen Secret, MLGS, right? But here's the latest one on the 17th, right? It was tagged with the 17th, and actually they opted in on the 20th, right? So what I'll do is we'll come back over here. We'll look for the 17th. We'll click on here because that's where it was. And it was this long email that said $1,000 per week YouTube job match, right? And then at the bottom, if you remember, let me scroll down. We had this link here that said, need to make $100 a day fast, use my free system. Click here. It said free system, right? They clicked it and it brought them to the ebook, right? Which was an opt-in. To get the free ebook, you have to opt in. It takes you to the sales funnel of, it downloads you a free book and it basically takes you into the sales funnel of the multiple income funnel. So anyway, now we know that the leads actually in MyLead Gen Secret actually clicked on stuff. And as I showed you before, and I'll show you just real quick, not that, that's the traffic, we don't need that, the team. I showed you before that I've had MyLead Gen Secret people, actually I still have a one here, he's still active, right? MyLead Gen Secret people sign up and pay the $49. So these leads do convert. They do, they're not bot traffic or whatever, they do work. But anyway, that's all I wanted to show you, some results. And like I said, man, I'm pretty impressed with the score that we had. I mean, I'm not getting rich off of it, right? But the fact that we made $19 today from the email we sent yesterday. So that's awesome. I just wanted to, that's awesome. No, take it back. We sent the email on the 18th. I want to make sure I get it right for record purposes, right? For record purposes, go back to the tracking ID. 12/18 was where we made the email we sent. That's where we made the money from. An email we sent on the 18th, which was here, this one here, which only got 78 clicks, 2,400 opens. We made $19 on. So I think that's pretty impressive. But anyway, we'll end the video on that note. You see, I still managed to make the video long. But anyway, I'm having fun with this little trial, with this little experiment we're doing, because all I'm doing is showing that you can make money using this method, right? Getting MyLead Gen Secret for $30 a month, getting free affiliate network offers, and combining them together, doing one email blast a day, just being consistent with it, and you'll definitely see results. Just like everybody else on YouTube is doing the same thing, and everyone is seeing results, proving that MyLead Gen Secret leads do convert. But anyway, that's all that I got. I hope you enjoyed the content. Like, share, and subscribe. I'm out.